Tonight we have a special treat. We have some Porter Road Filet Mignon, and we're cooking them on the Big Green Egg. Let's get it. These Porter Road steaks I bought with a gift card that was a gift from a company I did some promo work from. I was surprised at the price they had them available for, because most of the online meat companies are extremely high priced. But these were very reasonably priced steaks. So you can see it's a really nice looking filet. It's actually already has butcher twine around it, so it's tied up. Let's get this other one open. When I'm cooking steaks, I like to get them really dry first. So I'll use a paper towel and just pat the outside dry. And some people use oil or bacon fat to adhere the seasoning to it, but tonight I'm just gonna put the seasoning directly on the beef. I already have the Big Green Egg set up in direct heat at 225 degrees. I'm gonna choose the thinner of the two and put my meter right here into the center. This is the meter plus 2. And now I'm going to get the steaks on there, and I'm going to bring them up to about 115 degrees. Since these are fillets, they don't have a lot of intermuscular marbling, and you don't need as high of a temperature to render it. So we're going to cook them a little bit more rare than we usually do with a ribeye. So you can see we have the convector or the plate setter in here, which is indirect heat, meaning the flames are not coming directly up. It's deflecting them, and we're just getting the smoky flavor and the heat for the steaks. Now onto the griddle for the sides. We're going to do some onions and mushrooms. We got a couple other sides going inside the house, but we're going to get a big old scoop of BaconUp, and the onions are going to go down first because they're going to take a lot longer than the mushrooms. I have these first 3 burners on medium tonight. On the onions, we're going with a Lane's Barbecue combo seasoning. This one has their brisket, Tsunami, and the SPF 53 in it. It's a little bit spicy, a little bit sweet, and a little bit garlicky. Since the griddle's already hot, I'm gonna throw down some chicken breasts I'm gonna be eating for lunches. These are just boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I cut into thinner fillets. They have Italian dressing and an Allegro marinade on them. It's time to get the mushrooms down. All right, it's time for the steaks to come on. They reached 118. I'm gonna dip them in some melted butter and then get them over a hot burner to start searing. Repeat the process for the other side. Make sure you have good surface contact. It's okay to push down a little bit just to ensure that. Then lastly, you're gonna sear the sides and put them on a cutting board to rest. I really like compound butter. This is butter, garlic, and rosemary. I'm gonna get a full 10 over these. They're gonna rest for about 5 to 10 minutes until we're ready to eat. I think the steaks look beautiful as they are. I'm gonna cut into one of them and see how we did with the cook. And I would say that is perfect. Wall-to-wall pink, a little more rare than we go with the ribeyes, but that's intentional. It's time for that first bite. I cut me off a chunk, got a little bit of that compound butter on it. Perfect seasoning, perfect cook. Let's eat, y'all. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. It'd be awesome if you'd click that logo in the bottom left-hand corner to subscribe to my channel, and maybe even check out one of my other videos shown on the right. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.